Hi there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make oatmeal scotchies. Now, this is a nice little classic recipe, pretty simple to do. I am also going to be showing you because I know that these are very chronic about spreading on your pan instead of being this nice little uniform cookie shape. So I'm going to be showing you a nice little trick on how to deal with that because I know that's a problem with this kind of cookie. I hope you enjoy the video and let's get into it. Alright you guys, now for this recipe we are going to start with a cup of butter, a cup of melted butter. We're going to do a half a cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs. We're going to mix all this together real quick. Just like that. Until it looks well blended and questionable. There we go, just like that. No lumps of butter or anything like that left in here. Now we are going to add in a tablespoon of molasses. Just like that. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Just a little extra, because we're bad. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, now we're going to take this mixer, we're going to mix it up real quick. Just going to make it nice and quick for you guys. Just like that. At this stage it kind of looks like caramel in a way. See it? This is what you want it to look like right here. Now we're going to add a cup and a half of flour. Oh, I just did that. Hold on. Alright. Cup and a half of flour. Just like that. A teaspoon of baking soda. And a half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix all this together real quick. Just until combined. Just kind of scrape down the sides constantly until you don't see any flour left. Alright, there's still just a little bit of flour left I can see here or there, but it's not that big of a deal. Now we're going to add in 3 cups of oats and 1 bag of butterscotch baking chips. I had to cut that real quick. Also translates to 2 cups. Now we're going to mix all of this together. Alright, now that I got it all mixed up, this is a very important step. What we are going to do is we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes to an hour. You can also keep it out there for about 2 days, maybe 4. And this is really important because if you don't, these cookies are going to spread in your pan like wildfire and it will not be good. It will get burnt and weird and flat. So this is very important. Stick this in your refrigerator for 45 minutes to an hour. I'm going to go do that real quick. I'll be right back and I will show you what to do next. Alright, I have gotten this out of the refrigerator. It has been in there for about 2.5 to 3 hours and we're ready for our next step. I have got myself a piece of wax paper. I'm going to be putting this wax paper on one of my pans and baking it that way. You want to set the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit and they're going to be baking for about 13 to 14 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of my cookie dough. Probably just about a tablespoon worth of this is over a tablespoon, but you get the idea. Just a nice palm-sized ball of cookie dough. And we're going to put it on our wax paper. Just like that. I'm just going to shape my cookies real quick. And we're going to bake it for 14 to 15 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to shape my cookies. I will put them in the oven, and I will show you the finished results. They are out of the oven, and they are looking lovely. Now, I left these in the oven probably about 1.5 to 2 minutes too long. You have to watch the timing on these because you can burn them very easily. Other than that, they turned out really well. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you try these for yourself. I hope this was easy enough for you because I don't like complicated recipes and I don't expect you to either. I hope you like and subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for sticking with me and God bless you. Oh, I'm going to take a bite. You should definitely make these. Alright, see you in the next one.